Hey everyone! Today, I want to talk about an incredible upgrade for your Beats Studio 2.0 and 3.0 headphones, the HiFan replacement ear pads. These ear pads are designed to provide extreme comfort and enhance your listening experience. First off, the compatibility is spot on. Whether you have Beats Studio 2.0 wired wireless, B0500, B0501, or Beats Studio 3.0, these ear pads are a perfect fit. Unfortunately, they don't work with Beats Solo, so keep that in mind. The ultra-soft feel of the HiFan cushion replacement ear pads is a game-changer. Made with soft protein leather and high-quality memory foam, they deliver the same luxurious touch as the original pads, allowing you to wear them all day without any discomfort. But it's not just about comfort, it's about maintaining the original sound quality. The slow rebound memory foam not only blocks out ambient noise but also molds perfectly to your ears, ensuring you get the best music enjoyment with the original sound quality intact. Installation is a breeze, no tools needed. The super viscous 3M tape and internal stitching technology make sure these pads stay in place. Just take off your old ear pads and attach the new HiFan replacements within seconds. They're not going anywhere. In the package, you get 2 pieces of ear pads, a handy triangle paddle for installation, and a solid 365 days of warranty. Plus, HiFan offers 24/7 customer service. If you have any questions or issues, they've got you covered. So, if you're looking to revamp your Beats Studio headphones, the HiFan replacement ear pads are definitely worth considering. Elevate your comfort and sound experience. You won't be disappointed. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.